I've been broken down now for weeks and weeks and weeks. I have an Eaton Fuller 10-speed transmission sitting right here. And as it just so happens, it's locked in, I can't remember if it was 7th or 9th gear, one of the two. After I hit that little splitter, transmission was doing some things where it was freewheeling, blah, blah, blah. I'm stuck on the side of the road for several weeks. Well, this got me thinking. One of the ways you can help to alleviate the stress and wonder of what something is going to cost to fix in truck driving is to just add a zero to whatever the end part cost is. Because in truck driving school, I remember we were talking about the clutch brake. Tiny little piece of metal, you know, but it's a $200 part that costs $2,000 to put in. So that's where they get you. Not what the part costs, but with how much it's gonna cost to have it installed by whoever. You might be able to find some rinky-dink janky dude in some backwoods shop that can do it for cheaper, probably no warranty, and probably no gear oil and whatever else it is that needs to go along with it. And hey, here's some extra loose bolts here. You're gonna wanna put those in your glove box just in case you break down. So basically think of it like, whatever this thing costs, add a zero to the end of the price, that's what it's gonna cost to install. It's a good general rule of thumb to help you to gauge what something is going to cost to install. So $50 part, $500 to install. $5,000 part, $50,000 to install. So it's a good gauge of reference to help you to understand. That way, when you get hit with the price, it's not an extreme shock to your system. You're like, oh crap, now I'm going out of business. So in this particular case, $2,000 transmission, add a zero. Now, that way my boss of this company knows it's not going to be cheap. So, yeah. Just a good general little rule of thumb that I have found. Whatever a part costs, pretty much add a zero to it. Go to any dealership, go to any shop place. Oh yeah, hey, what's it cost to put this $10 light in? $100. Probably an hour. It's gonna take this many. So just a good idea to think of everything with just add a zero to the part cost, and that's what it's going to cost to install. So hopefully that helps you guys to alleviate stress. And is this going to cost me an arm, a leg, or a pair of something else that I really need?